How to redeem Apple gift card email. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you redeem an Apple gift card that you receive via your email. So first, you want to go ahead and simply ensure your Gmail or email app is up to date. Head over to App Store and then check for updates. Keeping the app updated allows it to support the latest feature like in-app redemption button. So once you have updated your application, head back to your home screen and then open up your Gmail and then simply locate the email that contains your Apple gift card. If the email includes redeem button option, go ahead and tap onto it. This will automatically apply the gift card to your Apple ID. So if there's no redeem button and it doesn't work, don't worry. You want to go ahead and simply copy the gift card code from the email and then open up your App Store again. Inside your App Store, tap on your profile icon. And then you'll be able to find an option that says redeem gift card or code. Go ahead and tap onto it. And just like that, you can go ahead and tap on enter code manually and then paste the code that you have just copied and then tap on redeem. And that's it guys, your balance will be updated instantly. And that's how you redeem an Apple gift card received by email. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.